Hey everyone, this is Juby at the AMD Installation Center. I'm doing a video real quick to help someone fix their gap on their quarter to tail panel. Hopefully it'll help. I'm hoping to soon do some better videos, actually doing all the stuff more in depth and actually doing it. But I'm going to explain right now how I work my gap on my quarter to tail panel. That's actually this part right in here, this gap all the way up. This part right here is usually split, so don't pay that no attention if this is sticking out or in. If it's not split, you can split it, and that'll help you later on, but I'm going to explain how to get it close. It's, you know, pretty flush all the way up. I mean, you got to leave some for the body man. I mean, I can't take all his money, but yeah, let me get right to it and show you what I do. This one's already been welded up, as you can see, but right inside here you can see it. What I do, hopefully this will work, is I get vice grips. I come in here and start here. I grab a hold to it and I take my vice grips and I work it on the outside to get it flush, and I put a pair of vice grips on it. I grip it good. Then I work this in or out depending on what out here it needs. If it needs out on up, you know, it's clamped down here, I pull it out or push it in, and then I clamp again. So I go in here and get some more vice grips, and I pull or push whatever I need, and then I'll clamp it pretty tight. Then I'll get another pair and I'll work it up or in or out, and I'll clamp again near the top. Once I get it to where I want, let's see, I'll get this bottom pair done. Then up at the top, I do the same thing. I pull it in or out and I clamp it. But this corner right in here, if you take these, the flat, you can work that all the way around, just clamping it all the way around and working that corner into itself. And then once you get it pulled to where you like it out here, clamp the last one. And like I said, up top up here, this right here, you can split it if it's not already split, because these corners always need working, and you can move this in or out where you want. And then shut your deck lid and check your gap here. And like I said, usually this corner, it always needs split and welded. And then you can take and clean that corner up. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, just ask me. Sometimes you have to add me on Facebook, because a lot of messages I get go straight to the spam, so I don't get them, and I apologize. But I have a lot of people that ask a lot of questions, especially now. But I'll try to get to you. If not, just keep buzzing in until I answer. I'm not trying to ignore no one. Hope everybody has a blessed and wonderful day. Love y'all, and talk to you later. Bye.